Coming up, we take a father-son trip out to Quail Ridge Run Hunting Preserve right here in Johnson County, Kentucky.
Let's go on my face. How you doing? Good, man. Good to see you. How we doing? What's up? Yeah, I'm wearing it. Yes, sir. Shotgun, son, and plenty of shells.
Shotgun and shells, we got that?
Plenty of shells.
So I couldn't wait to get out there as soon as I saw the advertisements up, you know, for Quail Ridge Run. Never been bird hunting much in my life besides turkey hunting, of course, and you know, this was an unreal experience with our sons.
How we'll do this is we'll just walk, mingle around, let the dog hunt, and then once the dog points, then we'll get everybody set in their spot. I'll show everybody where to get, and then at that time you guys can shoulder your gun, click your safety off, make sure it's pointing in a good direction, and I'll go in, flush the bird out, and then you guys can start firing away. One thing to remember, keep your finger off the trigger and your gun on safety at all times until we get the dog pointing and I get you all set up to get ready to shoot.
You know, for us, I hope this becomes a holiday tradition, you know, when we're off for Christmas break. Maybe this is something we can work into the schedule, you know, every Christmas from here on out. You know, honestly, the dog does all the work. You know, Murphy, as soon as he jumped out of the truck, he was ready to go to work, and, you know, he didn't stop until the time, you know, way after we were ready to get in the truck. You know, it's amazing how he pinpoints those birds by finding their scent, you know, and then just stands there patiently until we're lined up and ready to roll. You know, Jason Crum just did an awesome job. He was so patient with our boys, you know, and giving our boys credit, they did a great job of handling their guns and pointing them in a safe direction, keeping their safety on, you know, having good trigger discipline, keeping their finger off the trigger until they were ready to shoot.
Where's it at? That way. All right. Hold up. Hold, Murph. Hold, Murph.
I see him. I see where he went.
Yep, on up. On up. Right there. You ready? Hold, Mark.
Good deal, buddy. Get the safety on. How'd that feel?
Felt good. Finally, I hit it.
Hold. Hold. Come on! Hey! What's over that last flank over there? They're running us over over there. Hey! Yeah.
think, boys? Quail Ridge, would you recommend it to your buddies?
Yes, it's pretty fun. And most of them have been hiding, so check all the plants. It's fun watching the dog.
And then I was talking to
They'll
him and I
find
got
them.
home and I told him. Hey guys, it's Jason Crum here at Quail Ridge Run. We offer all kinds of different hunts, guided hunts, and if you have your own dogs, prices is $10 for a quail, $22 for a pheasant. And my times are from 9 in the morning until 12, and then from 1 o'clock to 4 o'clock. 2 different hunts a day. So I can do multiple hunts a day if you need to. So just give me a yell, give me a holler, come out and see us here at Quail Ridge Run.